What happens after mediation? In divorce, mediation offers couples a peaceful and cost-effective way to resolve divorce disputes without the need for a court battle. Once mediation concludes, many wonder about the next steps. In this process, the agreements reached must be formalized into legal documents and submitted to the court. This ensures the divorce is finalized and avoids future conflicts. Legal representation is crucial at this stage. A lawyer ensures that all legal procedures are followed and that your rights are protected throughout the post-mediation phase. A competent attorney can assist in turning your mediation agreements into legally binding documents. For those going through mediation, working with an experienced law firm can significantly ease this process. Post-mediation legal procedures. After a successful mediation, formalizing the agreements is critical. The Memorandum of Understanding (MOU), which outlines decisions on issues like property division and child custody, is not legally binding on its own. Both parties' attorneys must review this document to ensure it adheres to the law and protects the individual's rights. In New York, this legal review is essential to make the agreement enforceable. Lawyers may propose revisions to the MOU before it is finalized. Once reviewed, the mediated settlement agreement is signed by both parties, along with their attorneys. This legally binding document is then submitted to the court for approval. The court ensures the agreement is fair and in compliance with New York law, especially when child custody and support are involved. The finalization process. Once mediation concludes, the process moves toward formalizing the agreements. Filing the mediated settlement agreement with the court is the next step, as this ensures the agreement becomes legally enforceable. In New York, once filed, a judge will review the agreement for fairness and compliance with state laws, especially if children are involved. The process, from drafting to finalizing the legal documents, typically takes a few months. Usually, after the court receives the finalized agreement, the judge issues a divorce decree within 60 to 90 days. This ensures all involved parties can prepare for the legal changes that the divorce decree brings. The divorce mediation process. Understanding the process of divorce mediation can help manage expectations. Mediation in New York generally follows several steps. Initial consultation. The couple meets with the mediator to discuss the goals of mediation. Information gathering. Necessary financial and legal documents are gathered to aid discussions. Mediation sessions. These sessions help each party express their needs while aiming to reach agreements on issues like property division, child custody, and spousal support. Drafting the agreement. The mediator drafts the settlement agreement, which is then reviewed by both parties' attorneys. Legal review. Lawyers review the draft agreement to ensure it aligns with state law and protects their clients' interests. Finalizing and filing. After revisions, the finalized agreement is signed and submitted to the court. This process provides a structured, efficient way for divorcing couples to resolve their disputes amicably, and when executed properly, it minimizes emotional strain and legal complexities. Next steps after mediation. Once the mediated agreement is signed and filed, the parties wait for the court's final decree, which legally finalizes the divorce. The timeline for this process varies, but typically, the court issues the final decree within 2 to 3 months. This document makes the divorce official, allowing both parties to move forward with their lives. At times, however, mediation may not result in an agreement. In such cases, the parties may opt for additional mediation sessions or transition to litigation. Should litigation become necessary, a skilled attorney will be essential in navigating the complexities of the court process. If mediation is successful, its benefits extend into the post-divorce period, often leading to fewer disputes over custody or financial issues later on. The non-adversarial nature of mediation, especially in New York, also helps preserve relationships, making co-parenting easier. For those navigating post-mediation, consulting an experienced law firm is crucial to ensure all legal requirements are met. Contact Juan Luciano divorce lawyer today at 212-537-5859 or visit our office at 347 5th Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016, United States, for personalized assistance in finalizing your divorce and protecting your rights.